On chapter 11, understanding nouns. Nouns are one of the most important parts of English. They are the names of people, places, things, or ideas. Understanding nouns helps you form sentence, describe. Understand nouns helps you to form sentence, describe the world, and communicate clearly. Let's continue on chapter 12. Learning pronouns step by step. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They help you avoid repeating the same nouns over and over, making your sentence smoother and easier to speak. Learning pronoun is essential for building confidence in English. What is a pronoun? A pronoun takes place of a noun. Example, instead of saying Mary is reading, instead of saying Mary is reading Mary's book, you can say Mary is reading her book. You replace Mary's again to by her. Here, her is a pronoun that replaces Mary. Types of pronouns: personal pronouns, used for person or for people or things, singular, plural, we, you, he, they, shall. Example, I am happy. She is my friend. They are playing football. It is a beautiful day. Then we have possessive pronouns. Shows ownership or possession. Singular, plural, my, our, your, his, their, her, their, is. Example, this is my book, that is her bag. These are our friends. You see? Then we have demonstrative nouns, points to specific things. These, near singular, that, far singular, this, near plural, those, far plural. Example, this is my pen, those are beautiful flowers. We have also interrogative pronouns used to ask questions: who, people, what, things, which, choice. Example, who is at the door? What is your name? Which book do you want? And we have reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example, I taught myself English. She made herself a sandwich. Practice using pronouns. Exercise 1. Replace the noun with a pronoun. John is reading. Instead of John's book, we can say John is reading his book. Mary and I are going to. Mary and I as school. The cat is eating the cat's food. The cat is eating its food. You see? Exercise. Fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. This is dash I book or my book. This is my book. My is the correct one. He is taller than I or me. He is taller than me. Can you help herself? Can you help her? Can you help her? You see, exercise 3, make sentence using they, we, eat myself. We can say they are going to school. We are eating. It plays very well. I love myself. You see, tips to learn pronouns. Pay attention when listening. Notice which nouns people use. Practice replacing nouns with pronouns in your own sentence. Speak daily, even small sentences. I am happy. She is my friend. We are learning English. You see, and I hope you still understand. Pronouns makes your sentence natural and smooth. When you master pronouns, you can speak and write without repeating nouns unnecessarily. Practice step by step, and soon forming sentences will feel effortless. Effortless. Chapter 13, verb, the heart of every sentence. Verbs are the most important words in sentence. They show actions or state of being, and without verbs, sentences cannot express complete ideas. Learning verbs is essential because they help you communicate clearly in English. What is verb? A verb is a word that tells what someone or something does or is. Example of action verb shows action. Run, eat, write, sing, play. Those are the verbs. I eat. Eat here is the verb. I do the action of eating. She runs. Runs is the verb here. They play. Play football. Play is the verb. Example of linking or state of being verb shows a state or condition. Am, is, are, was, were, feel, seem. I am happy. He is tired. We are friends. Two types of verbs. Action verbs vs linking verbs, or vice versa, linking verbs. Action verbs describe something happening. She rides every day. They dance at parties. Linking verbs connect the subject to describe or state he is. You can't say he a teacher. Is will be lacking. He is connecting this sentence. Is connecting. He is a teacher. The food tastes good. You can't say the food good. Yeah? The taste will link. So the taste will be a linking verb here. You see, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs add ed for past tense. Play, played. You see, play, played, cook, cooked. Irregular verbs, past tense change differently. Go, you can't say got, you'll say went. Eat, ate, see, so. You understand? Then we have send, verb tense, simple overview. Verb changes depending on time, past, present, or future. Present tense, I play football now. She reads book now. Past tense, I played football. Now we have this ed because it's past tense. I played football yesterday. When yesterday? She read. We can't say read. When you pronounce it here, you'll say read instead of read because it's past tense. She read a book last night. Future tense, the things will happen in the future. I will play football. Will. You see, will is the connecting verb here. I will play football when tomorrow. She will read a book when next week. You understand? Then we have practice using verbs. Exercise 1, identify the verb in this sentence. I eat breakfast every morning. Eat is the verb here. when every morning. She is happy. What connecting verb here is is. Is happy when today they play football on Sunday. Now they play is the verb here. And when Sunday. Exercise to fill in the blank with the correct verb form. He ran fast yesterday. I go to school now. We watch a movie tomorrow. Let's do it. He he ran instead of ran. We put a here. He ran because it's past tense. He ran yesterday. I go to school now. I am going. Am is going to be the connecting verb. We watch movie tomorrow. We are going or we will watch a movie when tomorrow because it's the future tense. Exercise 3. Make sentence using this word. Read, eat, go, play. I am eating. We read the Bible. I go to school. We play. We'll be playing tomorrow. Tips for learning verbs. Describe your daily action in English. I eat lunch. I study English. I watch movie. Listen carefully to conversations, songs, and stories. Notice how verbs are used. Speak out loud every day, even simple sentence to gain a confidence. Verbs are the heart of every sentence. They bring your words to life. The more you practice using verbs, the more confident you and fluent you will become. Speak, write, and enjoy creating sentences full of action and meaning. Can we continue to chapter 14, present tense without stress? The present tense is one of the most important tense in English. It is used to talk about things happening now, habits, daily routines, facts, or general truths. Many beginners feel stressed about it, but with simple rules and practice, you can master it easily. When to use present tense to talk about habits or routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. She drinks coffee every morning. Two, to talk about facts or truths. Water boils at 100 Celsius degrees. The sun rises in the east. C, to talk about things happening now. Present continuous. I am eating breakfast. They are playing football. Present simple basic role. Structure affirmative subject plus base verb plus s or stroke es for he or she or it. Negative subject do, does not, base verb. Question do, does, subject base verb. Example affirmative. I play, I play football. He plays. You see, we've got s at the end now because it's he. Negative, I do not play. I do not play football. He does not play football. Question: do you play football? Does he play football? Present continuous basic role used for action happening right now. Structure subject plus M is are plus verb plus ing. Example, I'm reading a book. She is writing a letter. They are watching TV. Negative, I am not. Negative, remember, will go against the sentence. I am not reading a book. She is not writing a letter. Example, are you reading a book? Is she writing a letter? Common mistakes and now how to avoid them. Forgetting S for he or she or it in present simple. He play football is wrong. You should say he plays with S. He plays football. Using wrong form of be in present continuous. I is eating. You can't say I is eating. You say I am eating. Forgetting does or does in question. You like music. No, because I'm asking a question, you say, do you like music? You understand? Practice exercising. Exercise 1. Fill in the blank present simple. She eat breakfast at 8. She eats. You should add S. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. He watch TV in the morning. Exercise to make present continuous tense. I read a book. Then you fill up the space. They play football. They play football. She write letter. Exercise make exam a question. You like pizza? Do you like pizza? He go to school. Do you go to school? They what? Do you watch TV? Talk about your daily routine in English. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I study English. Use flashcards for verbs in present simple and present continuous. Speak out loud every day to form correct sentence naturally. Watch English videos and repeat what you hear in present tense. Present tense is simple. When you practice step by step, focus on habits, action now, and facts, and your confidence will grow. Speak right and use it daily. Soon it will feel natural and stress free.